Hi there, welcome to Creator Overview. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of animating an object with embedded animations in Creator. Click on the plus icon beside the Object button in the Composition tab. Under My Objects, we have the option to Upload Object. Click on it, which will open the pop-up where you can choose the file you want to upload. Next, click on Browse Files and select the file from your local directory. It'll take you to the preview page. And once the preview looks good, you can press on the Submit button. You'll be taken to the workspace where we can animate the object. Now let's increase the size of the object. For that, we'll change the values for the scale property in frame 0. We can slightly increase the size of the object and move it a bit down by changing the values for the position and scale property in frame 0. Once the object is in place, we want the object to be out of the canvas in frame 0 and come into the canvas by frame 200. So we'll add a keyframe at frame 200 for position, rotation, and scale. Now every time we add a new keyframe, it'll copy the values of the previous keyframe to the newly set keyframe. Now let's change the values in frame 0 and move the object out of the canvas. Moving the cursor will show the animation in the preview. We want the object to rotate while coming into the canvas, so we'll add the values in the rotation property. Also, we'll add values in the scale property to show the variation in the size of the object while coming into the canvas. Let's check the preview. Now we want the cabinet to open and close. For that, we'll check the boxes of the animation clips in the right side panel. Now we can see the animation properties of different functions in the animation timeline. These animation clips are imported along with the object. Now till frame 290, we want the object to be still in the canvas. From 290 to 400, we'll set the keyframes for open animation. We'll set the keyframes from 450 to 560 for close animation of the object. From frame 560 to frame 750, I want the object to go out of the canvas, same as we brought it in. Set the keyframes for position, rotation, and scale at frame 560 and 750 and enter the respective values. At frame 750, change the value of position in x-axis from 5 to 6. Rotation value in y-axis to 1440 and scale value to 0.5 across all axes. While going out of the canvas, we want the object to fade out. For this effect, we'll set the keyframes at frame 650 and set the opacity to 1. And at frame 750, set the opacity to 0. Now let us have a look at the preview of the animation we've made. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit the Knowledge Center.